I know posting on TikTok can be slightly complicated, but here is a tutorial to show you an easy way for beginners to post on TikTok. Let's get started. Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Jen Sargeant. I'm the creator of Digital Sargeant. I'm so happy you found this video. If you found this video, it's because you're more than likely a local or a small business owner that wants to learn more about digital marketing, and I'm the girl to help you do just that. Before we get into today's video, which is a tutorial on how to post on TikTok, I kindly ask that you subscribe to my channel so when I upload new material all about local business digital marketing, you'll be the first to know and you'll be the first to implement it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to post on TikTok, and this is for beginners. So we're going to cover basic things to help you stand out on TikTok. We're not going to get super crazy with edits and things like that, but I will show you some ways to easily post on TikTok so that way you can stand out. Now, you should definitely be using TikTok to its fullest potential. It is a social media platform that will give you so much awareness for your brand and for your business if used correctly with hashtags and things like that. So if you're excited for this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and let's jump right to it. All right, welcome to my phone. Let's go ahead and open the TikTok app. And to add material, we're going to press the plus button there, and it's going to open up either on your face or on in front of you. So that flip button is what's going to rotate the lens around. And then just press the recording button, and you'll know it's recording when it's pulsating, and then the blue line at the top, and then release it when you're done recording. If you don't like something, just hit that arrow there. And then let's add an effect. Green screen is a really popular effect, so you just press the green screen button and then you choose an image on your camera roll, and then you can move your face out of it if you just want to post the image. And you can see here that I'm still recording because it's pulsing and the blue at the top. And then to remove the green screen, you're just going to do the same thing. And then once you're done, you're going to hit the check button, and now we can edit it some more. So you can scroll to the left or to the right to add filters onto the video. To add effects, we're going to press the effect button, and for any of these, you just scroll through and you can choose one or multiple actually visual effects for your TikTok. I love the rainbow, leak, and old TV. And you can have as many of these as you want. When you want one, just press and hold it down and then release it whenever you want to remove the visual effect, and then just press the back button if you want to remove one. So I'm just going to go through a few of these here to show you what it looks like once you add the visual effect. All right, so let's add some different effects. So this one is for a face. You can only have one at a time. So just tap one that you want to try, and then to release it, untap the exact one. And I'm just going to go through a couple of these to show you what they look like. And that's pretty awkward, but it's fun. And then transitions are a lot of fun. So you can press and hold down which transition you want to use. I'm just going to go through a couple of these here. And again, if you don't like one, then you just hold or you just press that back button and it'll remove the most recent one that you added. And then let's add some split to the campaign or to the video. So splitting is going to divide the screen up. So you can see here I'm choosing like 1 to 6. It's basically multiplying me. So that's what split does. It splits the screen into multiples. And then time is reverse, repeat, or slow-mo if you want to adjust any of the timing within the video. So here's the masterpiece. It's lovely. And let's go ahead and hit next and add some video or add some sound. So this is the sound database. You can add sound and search for more. This is going to be the recommended or the popular music at the moment. And then I'm going to search for Instrumental King. I like to add instrumentals to videos that I'm talking over. because it just makes it easier for people to understand it. And then you just click that blue check mark if you want to save anything, and then you can listen to the material there if you like. And then you're going to want to adjust the volume, especially if you're talking over the video. So adding text is a lot of fun. So I'm just going to write the man here, and then I'm going to highlight it, and then I'm going to set some time durations on it as well. So this will, you can slide your finger to the left and to the right, and where it's red is when the text is going to pop up. And then in this editing mode, you can play it and see how it pops up as well. So I'm going to add 2 text sequences to show you what it looks like whenever you add multiple text. So I'm just going to set the duration again, and then you can see the faded text behind it was the first text that I added. So that's really good to know whenever you're adding multiple layers of pop-up text. You're going to want to know the time that it's popping up, so that way when you're editing your videos, it's popping up in the correct sequence and frequency. And you can add stickers by clicking that button there, and then you can add GIFs or emojis. These are pretty popular across all social media channels and Instagram especially. So naturally, I'm just going to choose Taylor Swift, and we'll choose one of her GIFs that she's uploaded here. And you can also set the duration on GIFs as well. So that's what's really cool about TikTok. You can make a lot of really cool videos inside the app, and then I use these videos across all of my social media platforms. All right, so we're done. We're going to hit next. I'm going to toggle off save to device at this moment. Duet and stitch is so that somebody can reuse your material, and it's good for exposure. And now we're going to choose a video cover. So you're just going to slide your finger across the cover, and that's for the thumbnail. When it shows up on your grid, this is what the cover will look like. And now we're going to add hashtags. The hashtags with the little icons behind them are the trending hashtags at the moment. And then you can add, whatever hashtags you want. And then let's save it to drafts. So to get to your drafts, you're going to click on your profile and then drafts, and then you can see them here. You can click one, and then you can post it whenever you are ready. But here is our masterpiece. Thanks so much for taking time to watch this video. And also, I want to know, do you like this video vertical, or do you prefer horizontal videos on YouTube? So comment below. I would really like to know your take on it. And right about now, there should be more items coming up on the screen. I hope that you click into them. I hope that you like them. And be sure to subscribe to our channel if you want to learn more about digital marketing for local businesses. I'll see you in the next video.